Hello class 9, welcome back. Let's do some more questions. The questions based on quadratic equation. Now, this is the third and the last video of quadratic equation. Now, you can see the question here. Solve x plus 1 upon x equals to 2 into 1 by 2. It's not a direct quadratic equation. First, we change this equation into quadratic equation and then we find the roots. First, we take the LCM. What is the LCM of 1 and x? The LCM of 1 and x is x. So this x multiplied here, x into x plus 1 equals to 5 divided by 2. So x into x square plus 1 upon x should be equals to 5 upon 2. Now again cross multiply. This 2 multiply here, we get 2 into x square plus 1 and equals to 5 into x. So we get 2x square plus 2 minus 5x equals to 0. So 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So now we got the quadratic equation, which is 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0 in descending order of power of variable x. Here power 2, power 1 and here 0. Power 0, x power 0. So now we have to find two numbers which when multiplied we get 4. Why 4? Because the coefficient of x square is 2 and the constant is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. Two numbers which when multiplied, answer is plus 4. But when we add them, answer is minus 5. What are those two numbers? Now here, look at the question very carefully. Look here. Two numbers, when we multiply, it's plus 4. But when we add them, answer is minus. So both the numbers should be negative. Because when a negative number is multiplied with another negative number, negative into negative changes to positive. But when we add two negative values, we always get negative answer. So what are those two numbers? Minus 2 and keep in mind two numbers which when multiplied we get 4. So minus 2 into minus 2 gives 4, but minus 2 gives minus 4. But we want here minus 5. So the numbers are, what are the numbers? Numbers will be 4 into 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. But we have a negative sign. So both the numbers should be negative. So we can see the two numbers, they are now minus 4 and minus 1. So we write this one, 2x square plus minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. 2x square plus this minus 5 should be replaced with minus 4 and minus 1. So we write here in this way. X should be written out plus 2 equal to 0. So open the bracket, 2x square, this minus and this plus multiply changes to minus 4 multiply with x. Then minus 1 multiply with x is minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Out of these two numbers, 2x is common, we left with x minus 2. Because this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 2 is taken out, we left with 2. Here x square. So x is taken out. So 2x into x minus 2. Out of these two numbers, we take minus 1 common, we get x minus 2 equals to 0. Now here, from this term and from this term, x minus 2 is taken out. We left with 2x minus 1. These all are equal to 0. It means either we write here x minus 2 and 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So, x is 2 or 2x equal to 1, x is 1 by 2. So, we are getting two values of x, 2 and 1 by 2. That are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Let us take another question of similar type. Now keep in mind, this is again a question in which no direct quadratic equation is given. Question is solve. X minus 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 7. Now we simply cross multiply. This number multiply here and this one here. We get x minus 1 multiplied with 3x minus 7 should be equal to x plus 1 into 2x minus 5. So x multiplied with this number, x, 3x minus 7 minus 1 will multiply now here, 3x minus 7 equals to this x multiplied with this whole number, x into 2x minus 5. Then plus 1 multiplied with the whole number 2x minus 5. Now open the bracket. X into 3x gives us 3x square. X multiplied with minus 7 minus 7x minus 3x and minus 1 multiplied with minus 7 is plus 7 equals to x multiplied with 2x is 2x square. X multiplied with minus 5 minus 5x plus 2x minus 5. So we get 3x square minus 10x plus 7 equals to 2x square minus 5x plus 2x is minus 3x minus 5. Now take these two numbers this side. All the numbers on the right hand side should be taken on the left hand side. So what do we get now? 3x square minus 10x plus 7 minus 2x square plus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Now 3x square minus 2x square is x square minus 10x plus 3x is minus 7x and plus 7 plus 5 is plus 12 equal to 0. Now we got the required quadratic equation, that is x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Now we have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Now here coefficient is 1. 1 into 12 is 12. So two numbers which when multiplied we get plus 12. And when we add them we must get minus 7. Since the product of two numbers is positive, means both the numbers should be negative. Why? Because negative multiplied with negative changes to plus, and when we add them, their sum is minus. So what are those numbers? Minus 4 and minus 3. So minus 4 minus 3. So this one can be written as x square plus minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. So x square plus, replace this minus 7 with minus 4 minus 3. X plus 12 equals to 0. So x square, open the bracket, minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 equal to 0. Out of these two numbers, x is common, x minus 4 out of these 2 minus 3 if we take out, we get x minus. Why here minus? Because when we take minus common, then this plus changes to minus. So x minus 4 equals to 0. Out of these 2, x minus 4 is common. X minus 3 equals to 0. That means either, I'm erasing this part. So either x minus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equals to 0. So x is 4 or x is 3. So the roots are 4 and 3. So this is how to solve the questions based on quadratic equation. I hope you have understood how to use the middle term splitting concept. This is actually called middle term splitting method because we are splitting the middle term. You can see here we have splitted the middle term. That is why it is also known as middle term splitting method. So now let us discuss the last question of the video as well as last question of the chapter. Now the question is again solve 8 upon x plus 3 minus 3 upon 2 minus x equals to 2. First of all we take the LCM. What is the LCM of x plus 3 and 2 minus x? It is x plus 3 into 2 minus x. Now cross multiply, this one multiply here, we get 8 into 2 minus x minus 3, this number multiply here, x plus 3 equals to 2. Now open the bracket, 8 2 jar 16 minus 8x minus 3x and minus 3 plus 3 multiply minus 9 divided by x will multiply with 2 minus x plus 3 it multiply now with 2 minus x equals to 2. So what do we get up? 16 minus 9, that is 7 minus 8x minus 3x minus 11x divided by 2x, x multiplied with minus x square plus 3 to the 6 and minus 3x equals to 2. So 7 minus 11x divided by 2x is plus, 3x is minus. So 2x minus 3x is minus x. Minus x square plus 6 equals to 2. Now cross multiply again. 7 minus 11x equals to minus 2x square plus 12. So we bring these terms this side. What do we get? 2x square minus changes to plus. Then we have plus 7 minus 11x minus, this minus come this side, changes to plus 2x. And when we bring this plus 12 this side, it changes to minus 12 equals to 0. So we get 2x square minus 11x plus 2x minus 11 plus 2, that is minus 9x, and this is plus 7 minus 12 is minus 5 equals to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. So first we have to simplify the given term, given equation to form a quadratic equation. Now after finding this quadratic equation, now we have to find its roots. Let us write this quadratic equation here. so that we can easily find its roots. It's 2x squared minus 9x minus 5 equals to 0. Now we find the root in the similar way. This is 2 and this is minus 5. So 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Two numbers which when multiplied we get minus 10, and when we add them it should be equals to minus 9. So what are those two numbers? Again, product of two numbers is negative and their sum is also negative. It means one of the number is positive and the other number should be negative. One number should be positive. Since addition is minus, it means bigger number should be negative. So minus 10 into 1 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 1 gives us minus 9. So this equation can be written as 2x squared plus minus 9x minus 5 equals to 0. 2x squared plus this minus 9 can be written as minus 10 plus 1x minus 5 equals to 0. So 2x squared, now open the bracket, minus 10x plus x minus 5 equal to 0. Out of these two, 2 is taken common, x is also taken common, we left with x minus 5. Here nothing is common, plus 1 is taken, x minus 5 equals to 0. So here x minus 5 is out, we get 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So either x minus 5 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So we get x equal to 5 or 2x equal to minus 1, so x is minus 1 by 2. So with this we have done the chapter Quadratic Equation for class 9 icse board. Thank you students, have a nice day and keep practicing the questions. Question can come from anywhere, you must know how to solve the question. That's all. Thank you once again.